Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to reinstall these doors on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, now we're going to take the rear door, line up the hinges, just like that. Just wiggle it back and forth if they're not all the way down. Once they're all the way down, go to the inside of the door. With the front seat all the way up, I'll just take a trim tool and pull this cover back off, just like that. And we can slide this wiring connector through here and this braided strap. It's going to hold the door from opening all the way. And we're going to slide this braided strap over this hook, just like that. Connect this connector right up under here. Lock it in place. And we can take this cover, line it up. You get the bottom part, there's two tabs right there. Slide those on and lock it in place. All right, slowly, just make sure the door lines up. As long as those are all the way down, it should be good. Close the door. Now we're gonna open the rear gate underneath here. Now we're gonna take these screws out. I'm gonna take my T50 bit and install these screws. Get that started there, get this one started. And I can take a ratchet and I can just snug them up. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. Try to keep your hand behind the ratchet. Just gonna snug that up. Not too tight. Do the same for the bottom one. Snug. And we'll do the same procedure for the passenger side. All right, we're just gonna take these doors, line up the hinges, just like that. Come to the inside. We'll start with this door catch. We're gonna slide this braided strap over this little hook, just like that. Now I'll connect the connector underneath here. Just line it up, lock it in place. Make sure those hinges are all the way down. Make sure the door looks like it's lined up pretty good. Looks good. Close the door. Take these bolts, get these started. Get that one started, then I'll get the bottom one started. I'm gonna take my T50 and I'll get this started. Once it's in there, then I can use my ratchet. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. Just gonna keep my hand between the ratchet and the door. Snug that up. Do the same for the top one. Just snug that up. Double check the bottom one. It's good to go. We're going to do the same procedure for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.